Hi viewer, my name is Kashan Ahmed and welcome to KH Informative YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about understanding market dynamics, how to analyze and adapt. So start my video. Understanding market dynamics, how to analyze and adapt. Market don't stand still, consumers' preferences change, competitors improve, and external forces like technology and regulations reshape the competitive landscape. You need to pay attention to avoid risking falling behind entire market dynamics, i.e., the forces that drive market changes. They influence everything from pricing and demands to competitive positioning. Leading businesses use data driven insight to keep on top of them. Companies need of makes informed strategic decision, spot opportunities before the competitions, and minimize potential risk. They can do this by analyzing patterns, tracking emerging trends, and evaluating external pursuing. But first, what are market dynamics? Market dynamics refer to the ever-changing force that shape industries from economic shifts and competitive moves to involving consumers' behavior. They influence everything from pricing trends to overall market growth. At their core, market dynamics resolve around supply and demands, but the full picture is more complex. Innovation, regulations, and shifting consumers' preferences create a ripples effect to the impact businesses of all sizes. In dynamics markets where change happen fast, new technologies, economics fluctuations, and unexpected trends can reshape industries overnight. Why does this matter? Companies that tracks market dynamics can anticipate trends before they take off, adjust strategies in real time, and stay ahead of the competitions. The key success in a dynamics market in staying agile, analyzing data, and moving quickly to capitalize on new opportunities. Key factors Key factors that drive market dynamics. To stay ahead, you need to understand what actually moving the needles. Here are the core factors shaping today markets. Supply and demands. Every market runs on supply and demands. When demands spike, prices climb. When supply floats and the market prices drop. Simple, not quick. Take the surge in sustainable product. Let's say a growing consumer push for eco-friendly alternative force companies to ramp up productions, but its supply outpaces demands, expects price cuts and shrinking margin. The solution in balance, predict the shift before they happens and adjust accordingly. Consumers behavior trends reshape industries. Consumers behavior is constantly changing, and its influence by cultures, economy, and technology merge. One minute traditional retail thrives, and the next direct to consumers brand dominates. Companies that track this shift and adapt their offering stay relevant. Increase environmental awareness is in driving success. Priority sustainable material, competitive landscape. Established can face pressure from startups introducing fresh ideas, while market leaders continuously tweak their strategies to maintain dominance. Challenger companies often enter the scenes with the sharp focus, niche appeal, advance their persons. First, the industry leaders should respond to something with the aggressive pricing, sometimes by launching their competing products. Others where competitive markets are the instance motions pushing business to improve. Technological innovations, technological advancement from automation to AI driven analytics to are reshaping entire industries, businesses that use data, machines learning, and digital transformations gain the competitive edge by reducing cost and improving customers' experiences. Companies that integrate emerging technologies into their strategies are the ones to reinvent their markets, economics, and regulatory factors. Interest their rate fluctuations, tax policies, and trade agreements that alters entire industries, new compliance challenges, but also open doors to those who know how to maneuver them. Business that practically adjust their strategies in response to economics and regulatory change capitalize the most. Using SimilarWeb to conduct market dynamics analysis, SimilarWeb helps you track the current demands fluctuations and make data-based decisions whether it's supporting emerging trends or identifying where consumers' interest heeding. SimilarWeb gives you data you need to act fast, identifying emerging trends and shifts in market demands. Demand analysis help businesses detect changes in consumers' interest by analyzing search trends at scale. Say a SaaS company notices future searches for CRM software are dropping while AI powered CRM is rising. That a signal that customers are moving towards automations and competitors will follow. With similar web demands analysis tools, companies can quickly adjust their strategy. It provides important data points to guide decisions making. Search volumes over time, understand how the overall trend is performing, both total and over times. Top countries by volume, identify where demand is strongest by analyzing search volume by country. To go even deeper, the keywords trend summary, monthly averages, futures breakdown, which keywords fuel the trend. This gives you a roadmaps to refine content, SEO, and products positioning based on consumers' behavior. Evaluating market entry opportunities, expanding into the new markets, the need real data. That's where the market analysis tools becoming useful. It offers a deep looks into the market size, competitive size level, and potential roadblocks before the makes the serious investments. Take a fintech company eyeing selecting America before entering this market. It issues similar web market analysis to gauge with the regional potential and competitive intensity. With the right data, it can support opportunities and avoid costly missteps. From the market size sections, you can get primary data points including audience size, see unique visitors numbers from the last month plus years over years, YoY trends which are significant for measuring market momentum. Key sizing indicators, core metrics can shape market potentials to help in forecasting revenue and total addressable market. Monthly visits, unique visitors. Analyzing this metric reveals whether the market relies on repeat traffic or refresh user interactions. Moving into the market assessments sections, you can get the following information: trend, strengths, cost, and industry benchmarks. Market distribution, a clear review of traffic share across major players. This gives you instant visibility into who winnings and where the gaps are. Benchmarking against competitors, want to know how your company stacks up against their competition's website analysis provides against about traffic trends, and this helps you to benchmark your performance against top industries players. Take a plant-based protein-based brand as a market dynamics example to understand in digital footprints. It might compare itself to industry leaders like BeyondMeats.com, ImpossibleFood.com, FakeMeats.com, and Gradients.com. The reports offer a clear view of total visit, the total number of visitors over the selected period to show the audience react as a scale. Devices distribution, the breakdown of desktop versus traffic, which reveal where users interact the most. Engagement metrics, visits, durations, pages per visit, and bounce rate, all of these are the must for measuring engagements. But there are more. The marketing channels report reveals how much traffic has driving you and your competitors must be organic search, PPC, direct, and more. With information about the traffic sources and monthly trends, you can pinpoint where growth is happening or where adjustments are needed. Understanding the market dynamics is a must. Staying ahead means keeping a close eye on market shifts, companies that assess consumers' behavior, monitor competitors' strategy, and adopt emerging technologies have the clear edge insight, allow business to forecast trends, refines their offerings, and makes change when needed with similar webs data, and your businesses can benchmark performance and adjust strategies. Precise whether the tracking the consumers demands or responding the competitive pressures, having the right data at the fingertips makes all the differences. Ready to gain and competitive edge. Check out the similar web market analyze these tools when learns how they can uncover your uh, business's potential for business potential today. Learn your market dynamics using the world's most accurate and generalized web and app data. Try similar web free. FAQs. How can companies effectively monitor consumers' behavior? Businesses need to combine market research, customer surveys, and analytics tools to track changing consumer preferences. Reviewing this finding regularly helps identify trends, measurable satisfactions, and match products offerings current customers' needs. What part does technology play a reshaping markets trends? Technology fuels market trends by enabling faster innovations, smooth communications, and reliable data collection. It allows to business to analyze large data sets instantly to reveal behavioral patterns and emerging opportunities. More importantly, it accelerates products developed to make companies more responsive and change. But there are more. The market's channels reports reveals how much traffic has driven you and your competitors at the organic search, PPC, direct, and more with the information about traffic sources and monthly trends. You can pinpoint where your growth is happening or where adjustments are needed. Understanding market dynamics is a must. Staying ahead means keeping a close eye on marketing shifts, companies that assess consumer behavior, monitors competitors' strategies, and adopt emerging technologies. Have a clear edge insights, allows businesses to forecast trends, defines their offering, and make changes when needed. With similar web data, your businesses can benchmark performance and adjust strategies. Pricingly, whether you track consumers' demands and response to competitive pressures. Having the right data at your fingertips make all the differences. Ready to gain a competitive edge, check out similar web markets, analyze tools, and learn how they can uncover your business potentials today. Learn your market's dynamics using the world's most accurate and generous web and app data. Try similar web free. FAQs. How dense can companies effectively monitor consumers' behaviors? How can a business adjust their strategies to rapidly change market? Such as the dynamics market requires an agile mindset. Companies should continuously monitor data, track competitors, and refine strategies based and accurate information. Business that prioritize innovations, adopt flexibility, and plans productively are best. Positions and handle market volatility and seize new opportunities. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and bye.